Hey guys, this is Asim Habib from Graphic Inspiration. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to create vector chain. So first of all, take ellipse tool and draw shape like all, and take direct selection tool and select the bottom anchor point and press delete. Okay, now take the copy of this shape and make it small a little bit. Now align to the bottom. Okay, now select all and rotate the shape. Now increase the stroke size. Select all the shape, right click and go to transform and reflect and copy with 90-degree angle. Okay, close the fill color and select just single shape, the right one, and move it to right side. Okay, that's good. Okay, now select all and take shape builder tool and remove these lines with Alt. Click with Alt. Yeah, I think now it's perfect. Right click, arrange, make it group, and now open the brush panel from here. If you do not find from here, so go to window and here we go, the brushes panel. Yeah, this is the brush panel. Open this and select all and drag the shape and release into the brushes and select pattern brushes and OK. Again press OK. Okay, now draw anything and apply the chain. So here we go. I hope you like it. So don't forget to like and share, and please do subscribe for more updates. Thank you very much.